Welcome to the 58th edition of the video tips from CAD Vertex. My name is Tushar. In this video, we quickly see the difference between model priority and select set priority when making synchronous edits, and what do they mean when making model changes. Here I have got a unfinished model. It has several pockets. Prominent one is on the top side, the other one is on the near side, and the third one out here is another pocket inside cavity, and these two are separated by a rib. Part of the rib is circular and the remaining portion is straight, and there are holes in there and a lot of fillets and rounds all over. My target with synchronous edit is to move this rib in this direction up to a certain distance, and in synchronous technology allows me to pick faces directly on the model. I will hover the mouse over here, pick this face, keep the control key pressed, and maybe I want to move the holes as well. So no need to pick both holes, I can just pick one. Now I can move the steering wheel away so that I can see the faces and the movement clearly. This is the axis direction along which I'm going to move. So as you can see, as I drag the rib, the design intent is in action, looking what your design intent is. So I got aligned holes, the design intent is on, due to which when I picked one hole, the other aligned holes moves automatically with it, and also the concentric design intent is on. So if I see the model from this side, I got a hole, the concentric faces as well selected with it. And as you can see, this whole rib along with it fillets, it smoothly creeps into or flows over into pocket, but somehow that conflicts with my design intent, the end result, in that I want to retain this cavity and don't want the rib to really spill over or flow into it. So in synchronous technology, on the command bar, I got option out here. One says model priority and select set priority. So currently select set priority is on, which means all the faces which are in the current select set, which I have picked or which design intent has picked for me, they will have the priority when manipulating the faces. So the faces of this small cavity out here, they will make the sacrifice. They will either be trimmed or in some cases they can vanish altogether. So I don't want to let this happen. I want these faces, these 1, 2 and 3 continuously tangential faces to persist. So I will come here and say model priority, meaning the faces of the model will have a priority over the selected faces. So using this option, as I move the same rib, you watch carefully in this area. So it is not allowing the rib or any of its faces of any portion to flow into it. It is kind of arresting or trimming off, and so that the model faces have the priority. By clicking outside anywhere in the model area, I have completed my synchronous edit. Hope with this example you understood the difference between select set priority and the model priority. Until the next tip, this is Tushar Suradkar signing off. Bye bye. To download the model used in this exercise, go to cadvertex.com, and on the site take the blog link at the top. The download link is down here. It will open this Google Drive page back into the CAD Vertex site. There is a SolidEdge blog. It will open this surf and code where you will find all the quick links for all the video tips so far.